Hey, it's Marissa with Kids Art Now. Today we're going to be drawing an axolotl. The first step you're going to take is draw his big head and just make a curve all the way around. After you do that, make a line that goes down for his little arm. And then we're going to go on your right and make another arm that goes down. On his left, just make a line that curves in and make it so that both the lines kind of touch there. Now go down with the curve, bring another curve in for a leg, and then on your right, the same thing, bring another curve in for a leg. I want you to close it up. There we have a body. Make another arm. That looks great. Now for the tail, just make a curve that goes around and in. And then we're going to make another curve in the inside, following that same kind of pattern, just like that. Now for the little gills, it's up to you however many little curves you want. I'm just going to curve it around and around and then bring it in. Same thing in the middle. There's going to be 3 on each side. Curve, 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 around and in, and then curve it up again, just little waves, and bring it in. Same thing on the other side. Make 3 little pattern of waves again, and bring it in, and that looks great. In the middle, same thing. Bunch of little curves and in. Last one. Curve, 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 and bring it in. Perfect. Now let's design the face. He's going to have one eye here. Just make a little oval. Another little oval on the other side. And I'm going to make a little tiny curve that looks like a W in the middle. For his eyes, I kind of want them shimmery, so I'm going to put 2 little circles, one on the top, one on the bottom, and then in the middle I'll fill it in black. But it's up to you how you want to do the eyes. There we go. Just fill it all in. Love it. So I think it's time to start coloring. I'm going to use pink, and I'll use like a darker pink on the outside, and for the gills I'll use a darker pink too. But it's up to you on the colors you want to choose. So stay with me for the coloring. Don't forget to subscribe for brand new drawings, and I'll see you next time. Bye!